telling you the hours, park hours for Disneyland. Here, that third floor, just go all the way down. It's nice. It's a nice little walk. Like I said, those are all your food restaurants options over there. So as soon as you walk in, you have your nice little desk area. We have another table. So we actually have 2 tables. You can get work done. You could eat, entertain your kids if you need to. Our air conditioning unit is over there. Carpet, we have probably like what, 32-inch TV. We do have a fridge. That is nice. Is it cool though, is the question. Yeah, it feels nice and cool. So we have a mini fridge there. And then we have a microwave here. Nice drawers, stuff to put your suitcase. We have a nice little closet to hang up whatever you need to. There's our hangers. This door does not want to open. But there you go. That is in there. I like hotels that have mirrors. So I have a full-length mirror here. And then we have a mirror over here. Now let's find the light. I don't know where the light is. Is it over here? I think so. Yep, found it. Okay. So what did we get? What did we get? We got our towels. No little animals. We got our cups. There's ice. And the hair dryer. Oh, we do have a little animal. Look, how cute. And we're not even on a cruise. From that angle, it kind of looks like snakes. But a swan. We got our tissue or coffee maker. That's the other thing. Trash can, nothing under there. Nice full mirror there. And then our bathroom. Hang up whatever. We got our fan, our light. Ooh, got real bright in here. Decent size, looks nice and clean. And they give you hand and body wash and then conditioner and shampoo if you forget or don't have any. But not bad. Oh, and look. Oh, beautiful castle artwork. So, first glance, I like it. I've been wanting to stay at this hotel for a long time, and we'll see how comfortable the beds are. That's gonna be the big test. Hopefully it's better than last night's bed, but we'll see tomorrow or the next day after we check out. We're here for 2 nights. We'll see what it's like. That's the hotel tour. I'll catch up with you guys later. So here you go. It was nice. It was a comfortable stay. I liked it. I would definitely stay here again. And the distance was close, so really like that. Let's go check out. So that's the room tour, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, useful, just maybe give you an insight of what it looks like. I liked it. Price was right this time, so just kind of keep an eye on that. That's what I always do, and that's what determines what hotel we stay in. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.